Today is Monday, January 26th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States as a lot of the Northeast digs out from a major winter storm that produced anywhere from 6 inches of snow and some sleet around New York City. Some spots, many spots actually ending up with around 7 or 8 inches to as much as 2 feet falling across parts of the northern Catskills up toward the capital region and into portions of interior New England. But let's get on with the headlines this week, because now as the snow is moving away, the story is back to the cold. And I've been asked already quite a few times, Eric, when is the cold weather going to end? Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's going to end anytime soon. We have some brutal cold weather with us for at least the next 7 to possibly 10 days. Maybe even a little bit longer. Now, there isn't much snow in the forecast. A lot of people like to say, well, if it's going to be cold, well, then let it snow. There is not a lot of snow in the forecast. There are some signals that maybe another winter storm could happen at the end of next week, and we'll see how that plays out, but I don't see anything promising at this point. Where there will be some snow is areas of lake effect snow, because you got the cold air coming off the lakes, and that produces your lake effect snow downwind of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. That's the only exception. This morning in the New York Metro, as we're cleaning things up, thank you for the New York City DPW and keeping everything clean here in the city. We got just a few scattered flurries as things are being cleaned up. We'll end up at around 30 this afternoon with breaks of sunshine and then clearing skies and cold temperatures for later on tonight. So near 30 today in the city, 23, that's it for you in Albany. Some heavy snow and wind still lingering in Boston. We got some heavier lake effect snow setting up in Syracuse, right around the metro actually, and some lake effect flurries and snow showers in Buffalo with a high of only 18 degrees. And then the cold's right back. That low pressure moves away, pulls the cold air right back in. 1 below tonight in Albany, 7 here in New York City, 6 in Syracuse, 5 in Buffalo. Look at you in Columbus, 6 below. That's what happens when skies clear. You get down to almost 0 in our nation's capital tonight. So the extreme cold is not just us here in the Northeast, but where it's really cold, at least compared to normal, is here in the middle of the country, where we had a major ice storm and we have significant power outages as a result of that weekend ice storm. And then in combination with that, we have cold air that's lingering, where it's 30 to 35 degrees colder than normal. We got temperatures in this part of the country that are peaking. I'm talking high temperatures in the teens, lows near 0. Pipes are bursting, just a major problem unfolding here in the middle of the country. Another clipper system going to bring some light snow later Tuesday across most of New York State. Looks like maybe just a flurry here in the city, but only 20 for a high tomorrow, 22 on Wednesday. We hover around 20 on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And look at those overnight lows. Those mornings when you head off to work and school are going to be pretty rough, with temperatures starting off in the single digits. Sorry, folks. Hate to be the bearer of bad news. But that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone's week starts off nicely, and stay warm. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be that 100% chance of good things.